Okay guys, if you're watching this video, it's for a reason. The reason is I'm going to be selling the trailer. If you have not watched my other video, I am selling the car as well. But in this particular video, we're going to mainly talk about the trailer. And so with that, it's going to be a quick video. So with that, let's go ahead and get on with it. If I happen don't cover something that you wanted me to cover on the trailer, don't hesitate to reach out to me, call me, email me, and we can talk via that way. There is so much to cover in this trailer, and I didn't make the video any longer than I have to. So with that, let's go and get started. We'll go with the outside of the trailer first, and we'll hop in the inside, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, what you're looking at is a 28-foot long trailer. It's made by Rock Solid. This was manufactured in toward the end of 2018, so 6 years old. What you do see up here is an extended tongue, so it's got plenty of turning on it, radius as well. Also, what you see up here is a couple of marine batteries, deep cycle batteries, as well as a custom generator box that we made. Inside the generator box, you'll have a 3500 Predator. It's an inverter, so it does run really quiet. Exterior is a little bit thicker aluminum than what you see on the other trailer, so it's 030 thick. What else you'll see on the outside is we have a lot of these external lights up here. So you have lights up there, and it does illuminate fairly bright on the outside, so that gives you some type of idea. So I do have pictures what it looks like. Couple windows, got one on this side, one other. You have a 60-inch opening door here as well, so you can get things in and out. We had this double doors put in place because we put a golf cart actually through this door and into there, and I'll show more on the inside here in a minute. These are a 7K axle, so this is a 14K trailer, so it can hold quite a bit of weight. See what else? Oh, on the outside, got electrical outlets here, and you got one way in the back. And also toward the bottom is an air chuck, so you can actually plug in the air hose reel, which will come with the trailer as well. So so with that, let's go ahead and get on the inside. We'll show you more about this trailer. Okay, inside the trailer, we have 110 volt lights up here. Got 4 of them up here. You got one in there and one up in the restroom. Yes, this trailer does have a restroom in it. We'll show that here more in a minute. Okay, at the back of it, we got some shelving. So for those long weekends, you want to store stuff inside the trailer, you can just flop those down shelves, have plenty of storage. You have a spare tire here. I do have a second spare tire, and typically we just lay that on the floor back behind it. You have a broom holder. The broom will come with it. There's a jack. I think we're going to let the jack go with the trailer as well. I don't need it. You got places for your hooks for your car. So up here, the straps do not come with the trailer, so you have to have your own. As well as up here, you have hooks for the front straps as well. What you do see up here, you see a bench here. This bench actually folds down. Then up there on the wall is a table that folds down. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Okay, this is with the bench seat that's down, so definitely you can sit 3 or 4 people across here without any problems. This is a built-in table, folds down. You put a chair on each side, so you can eat from this table, figure out your time slips, any of that good stuff, and at the end of the day, just fold it up and you're done for the day. Electronic-wise, 32-inch TV, has an external antenna already mounted on the roof. As you can tell, there's a speaker there and speaker there. That means yes, it does come with a radio in it, as well as a nice little clock there to keep track of your time of day and the month and all that good stuff. So let me go ahead and get all this put away, and I'll show you some more. For those long weekends, 2 beds will come with this trailer as well, with 2 foam mattresses. They're twin size beds each. They will actually mount to those brackets there on the wall there. There's some brackets down here on the bottom as well. This bench has to get pulled out, so you already can't use that for the weekend, so you got 2 beds. If it's only 1 person, you just put 1 bed up one side, keep the bench there, and you're good to go. So basically we'll have 2 beds as well. So anyway, I do have pictures how this whole thing is set up, how I have the 2 beds set out here, so I'll post that in the video here. As you can tell, it's a very nice layout. So they're very comfortable. To keep you cool during the summer months, 13.5K air conditioner. It works very well. So it does keep you cool in those evenings, or even those hot part of the day. It does a fairly good job with that. It does contain 12-volt lights inside as well. So we got 3 12-volt lights here, and you can turn these things off individually as well, so you don't have to keep them all on. It does have under counter lighting as well. That's all 12 volts, and plus 12 volts in the restroom area as well. So no lights at the very back. Okay, refrigerator, it comes with the trailer as well. So this will come with the trailer. I don't need another refrigerator. So up toward the front, you have plenty of cabinets below, and up in the cabinets, they have plenty of storage. This is where the radio is located at. So as you can tell, we have plenty storage up here. Down below, we've got 3 drawers in here as well. We use that for like the utensils, electronics, and all that stuff that goes in here. So make note, toolbox will not come with the trailer. This is a very sentimental piece. I'm not going to let go with the trailer. So tie downs. So we have straps to keep things tied down. So we have a tie down strap for the refrigerator. Then you'll see another hook there and a hook back there. That's for when we're hauling the beds I mentioned earlier. The beds and the mattresses and all that, the framework goes up against that wall. I will post a picture here what that looks like, minus the refrigerator. But the refrigerator, believe it or not, can sit in front of all that. So you'll have the beds, the framework, then you have the refrigerator, and it fits all right there. So, but if you have to get to the restroom while on the road, you have to actually push this refrigerator out of the way. So anyway, let me post that picture. So as you can tell, it's a nice little compact setup we have. So let's get down in the cabinets. There's some stuff down here I need you to show, and get started with that. Okay, we do have onboard air. So you just turn the compressor on, has a valve to put air back there. So we have an air compressor. It does contain a winch in the trailer. That's going with it as well. It's a 2,500 pound winch. Has the air hose. That's going to go with the trailer as well. This winch here will actually get bolted down right here. There's 2 holes, and there's actually a metal plate on the back side of this, so it gets bolted down to the frame basically. So you're not going to pull that out. And I have used it many times. So it doesn't run off the 12-volt system. It does have a wireless remote with it as well, so which is a really good plus feature, because if you're doing this by yourself and you're winching the car back here, you can put the wireless way out there. You can help, you can do it yourself basically. So let's go ahead and continue on. I'll show you some more cabinet space underneath, what it looks like. So plenty of cabinet space, as you can tell, underneath. Up here is where you see some of the inner workings of the electronic parts of it. We'll start down below. That is a electric heater for the water tank. It's a 1-gallon electric water heater. Up here you have a I think it's a 2500 or 1250 watt inverter. I'll post that in the description later on. But it does have an inverter, and typically what we do going down the road, we'll plug the extension cord in this, and it'll run the refrigerator for us. And it'll run it for many hours. It'll keep it through the night, no problem. These are the cutoff switches to the batteries at the front. So in case you have battery issues, you can select which battery you want to run off of. Typically they're both on the on position. It does contain a 12-volt battery charger as well. So that helps you keep the batteries refreshed. In that, keeping the battery fresh, up here is a solar panel. I'll show you a picture of what the solar panel looks like, so take a look at that. As you can tell, it's mounted right there on the roof, so if you're outside at the races or the trailer sits outside, you know there's volt, or the batteries are always being charged. So this gives you an idea of what's on top of the trailer. There's your solar panel. That's for the TV, and way in the back there is for the RV air conditioner. Notice it's slim profile, and notice what I'm standing on is that generator box. That's how tough this generator box is. So let me go ahead and get down from here. Okay, you do have a sink here with hot and cold. In here in the bathroom, you do have one toilet, obviously. Of course, you have your own shower, basically. It's a good size shower. I forgot what the exact dimensions are, but it is a pretty good size shower. It's not a mini shower by no means. Of course, you got lighting in here, towel racks, little shelves to put things on. So it's a very nice setup. So other than that, I think that pretty much covers everything that's inside the trailer. So let's go ahead and go on outside the trailer and we'll continue to talk some more. Okay, one quick thing, since this does have a restroom in it, this is where your connection for the water, you plug in the water to fill up the tanks below. This is your gray water clean out, and this is your black water clean out. Also, what we have a portable sewage tray, if you want to call that. It has a hose and connected up to it. You can fill this up. You can dump it local at your house if you want to. If you have a clean out place at your house, you just dump it in there. So works pretty good. Okay, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's a very quick video about the trailer. Hope I covered most of the bases. If you want further questions or you have a question about something, you can always call me or email me, and I can send you more information about the trailer, what all comes with it, all the options with it, and all that good stuff. With that, let's go ahead and get on with the price of the trailer. Okay, pricing of the trailer. Right now, I'm asking $20,900 as is, as it sits here. You get everything that's listed in that description. So there's so much things that come with this. To get this quality of trailer and this many options, you have to spend probably a lot more than that. This has always been garage kept. It has never been outdoors for any length of time other than at the racetrack. Majority of the time, it spent its life inside the shop. So as you can tell, AC's on right now, but it's always kept indoors. So it's not exposed to the elements that you would see other trailers. So that's why it looks a really good shape. So with that, like I said, if you want more, if you have any questions about it, you want to talk about it, just email me or send me go ahead and call me and I can talk more about that. So with that, I'm out of here.